Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan here. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation, basically, we are discussing this topic. So, one of the person told that, ये क्या है यार? Basically, we are not able to understand actually. So, see basically what actually this is. Thousand cities creation basically happened. Then thousand types of ideas basically created. 1 lakh human needs created. Then he told that yes, it's created. 1 lakh human needs basically created. Then he told that it's created. Then 10 crores ideas created, or basically that basically we have already discussed, that is the 1000 types of ideas. And to generate these ideas, 1 lakh human needs are created, and 1000 cities are also created. So like this basically we are giving the chain basically. Then basically one of the person told that this is okay basically, but this connects to up to what level basically. One of the person basically asked the question, this connects to what basically. This connects to up to what level basically. So he started basically telling that this everything basically. Education, then in education everything basically came, IITs, IIMs, management skill, everything basically. Then the bodies, education means your body should be perfectly fit. Then basically the thing is of security. Then basically one of the person told that bad task. Then basically the stuff is of physical stuff. So this is the stuff things basically. One of the person told that this is the stuff basically. See the thing basically. So one of the person told that this is the stuff. So see, the education is created from, assume that entire education basically created from 1000 cities. Then bodies basically education are created from 1000 cities. Security stuff basically are created from 1000 cities. Bad stuffs are bad ideas. These all are ideas basically created from 1000 cities. Then physical stuff basically are created from 1000 cities. So one of the person told that, sir, kya hai yaar, basically we are not able to understand the thing. So we will going to discuss this only basically. This everything basically we have already discussed, but that also little bit stuff basically. the person told me, sir, क्या है क्या यार? We are not able to understand what actually you want to say. One the person told me, what is this for everything here basically? So we will see. Education equal to created from 1,000 cities. So education level ideas, that basically I am talking, and that is basically the everything basically it contains. Business contains, IIT contains mathematics, science, physics, doctors, MBA, lawyer, this, that, each and every education sectors basically that comes into 1,000 cities ideas. Then basically another thing is body education. Body education means one person basically is doing the stuff of body level stuff basically. So he is doing some hard work stuff basically. So there basically also required energies basically. So there also things basically are required energies. So that comes into bodies education. Security education basically. Security education, one person basically got the security of one building basically. So he is doing the security of that building basically. One person got the security of entire country. One person got the security of entire city. One person got the security of entire state. One person got the entire security of entire USA. One person got the security of entire UK. One person got the security of entire Italy. So what is that basically? For that basically required the ideas basically, that you want to secure Italy. So you should know that what actually happens in the Italy basically. That example basically I have given in of the Italy basically. That is one city basically goes underwater for certain days basically, and after that certain days basically the water comes out. And what are the things basically which is required, which is secured basically? For example, one injection basically each and every people basically are going to get. So what are injection basically are there, what injection basically has to be inject, that basically that security person basically must know basically. So that is the security, that is the security of cities, countries. Countries means, for example, here one person is doing the security of USA, so he should know basically up to what level things basically are connected. One person is doing the security of entire software industry, so you should know that basically what actually the software industry is, that text box equal to 1,000 cities. So he should know that basically text box equal to, text box will exist basically when that 1,000 city will exist. So he should know basically that 1,000 cities are equal to text box. Bad task. Bad task means mafia groups basically. Bad task means mafia groups. Here basically in bad task, one of the person told that, yeah, what is actually bad task? One side basically the mafia groups are doing the firing these, that basically they are doing the bomb blast. Another side the army groups are also doing, but the mafia groups are killing less people, but the army groups are killing more people basically. So one of the person told that, here basically what is the bad task basically? Who is the basically bad task doing basically? That is basically one good question basically. One of the person basically literally asked the question basically. Literally he basically told the things basically. So that topic basically we are going to discuss in next video. That is the bad task. Army groups are also doing the bad task, and mafia groups are also doing the bad task. But in here basically the army groups are killing more people basically, rather than the bad people, that is the mafia groups. So in next video basically we are going to see that lots of companies says that basically he actually know mafia groups basically, so they basically literally bans that particular person. But if you know the army group basically, they literally give you your job basically. But here the people basically who are killing more, they are army groups basically. So that topic basically we are going to discuss in next video basically.